Narrator, welcome back to Auto Nova. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting releases in the compact car segment, the brand new 2025 Toyota Corolla. Toyota has taken their best-selling sedan to the next level with upgraded performance, cutting-edge technology, and a fresh new look. So, let's take a closer look at what makes this Corolla stand out from the rest. Narrator, right off the bat, the 2025 Corolla impresses with its refined exterior. Toyota has given it a bolder stance with a larger, more aggressive grille, sharper LED headlamps, and newly sculpted bodywork that enhances aerodynamics. Whether you choose the sedan or hatchback variant, this new design screams modern sophistication while maintaining Corolla's signature reliability. Narrator, step inside, and you'll find an upgraded cabin designed for comfort and connectivity. Toyota has packed the 2025 Corolla with high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and a redesigned center console for a more premium feel. The star of the show is the new 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which now features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making your drive more seamless than ever. The fully digital driver display adds a futuristic touch, providing key information right at your fingertips. Narrator, comfort has been taken up a notch with available heated and ventilated front seats, a power-adjustable driver's seat, and enhanced sound insulation for a quieter ride. Whether you're commuting to work or heading out on a road trip, the 2025 Corolla is built to keep you comfortable and connected. Narrator, under the hood, Toyota continues to offer multiple powertrain choices, giving drivers the perfect balance between efficiency and performance. The standard model comes with a reliable 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine pushing out around 169 horsepower, paired with a smooth CVT transmission for a fuel-efficient ride. But here's where things get even more exciting. Toyota has introduced a hybrid variant that delivers even better fuel economy, with a combined output of around 200 horsepower. And for those who crave a little more thrill, there's even speculation of a sportier GR variant in the works. Narrator, thanks to an improved suspension setup and refined steering response, the 2025 Corolla offers a smoother and more controlled ride. Whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the highway, the enhanced chassis tuning ensures better stability and handling, making every drive feel more engaging. Narrator, Toyota has always been known for its commitment to safety, and the 2025 Corolla is no exception. It comes equipped with the latest Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a new AI-powered collision avoidance system. These advanced features not only provide peace of mind but also make everyday driving safer for everyone on the road. Narrator, so, how much does all this innovation cost? Toyota has kept the Corolla competitive with a starting price of around $22,000 for the base model, while the hybrid and higher trims can go up to $30,000, depending on the features you choose. With this pricing, the 2025 Corolla remains one of the best value for money compact sedans on the market. Narrator, the 2025 Toyota Corolla continues to prove why it's one of the best-selling cars in the world. With its modern styling, upgraded tech, fuel-efficient powertrains, and unbeatable reliability, it's a top contender in the compact car segment. Whether you're looking for a daily driver, a fuel-efficient hybrid, or a stylish commuter car, the new Corolla has something for everyone. Narrator, what do you think about the new 2025 Toyota Corolla? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Nova for more in-depth car reviews and the latest automotive news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.